Hello, in this video, we'll see how to rig a bird using Rigify Addon in Blender 2.8.3. Log into creativepark.co.in to download the bird model. Subscribe, hit the notification bell. Creative Park. Expect the unexpected. We'll start with using Blender 2.83. You can download the bird model in link given in the description. The scale of the bird model is set in metric units. You can see 3 different collections in Outliner. The eye group is in separate collections. Because we will not be binding the eyeballs along with the bird geometry. To activate Rigify Addon, go to File, User Preferences. In Addons tab, type Ridgify and scroll down, and click checkbox to enable the addon. From the drop-down menu, scroll down to Armature. From Animals, select the bird meter rig. Click the checkbox in front, from Object Property panel. The meter rig almost fits the bird mesh. Let's fine-tune the armature to exactly fit into mesh. Before we start adjusting the joints, turn on wireframe from viewport overlays. It's important to activate X-axis mirror, which will adjust the other side automatically. We'll start fixing joints from the neck. In edit mode. Once we are done, we'll finally check in all direction in viewport to make sure the joints are placed perfectly. Now it's time to generate the rig. Select the meter rig in object mode, click generate rig below Ridgify buttons. To bind the rig to the mesh, first select the mesh and shift select the rig, and press Ctrl P. From the drop-down menu, set parent with automatic weights. To do that, we'll hide the bird geometry. First select the eye mesh and shift select the rig. In pose mode, select the eye joint and set parent with bone relative. Repeat the same process to another eye. Thank you, see you soon in another video. Subscribe, hit the notification bell.